we're going to be going down Travessa do Bispo, which is this street right down there. And before we even go down, we'll just kind of give you a little context. We're in this kind of Sé cathedral area, which is kind of cool. And we're going to be, there's Travessa de São Domingos, there's a Subway restaurant over there. Just kind of show you what's over here real quick. These kind of alleys that go all the way down like that. And there's another one down that way and over that way. But we're going to be heading down that way, so let's check it all out.
Chiquinha, Chiquinha.
Let's go check out the room.
Chiquinha.
Okay, I'm the content creator for this channel. If you like what I'm doing, just subscribe and hit the like button. Okay, so we're going to be going down Travessa de Bispo. Give you a little bit of idea. Lots of people in this. This is kind of a little plaza right here. I think it's called Sé. So we kind of give you context before we go down our street. We're in the historic center. So you can see a little bit of Sé Cathedral, Church, São Domingos Church is down that way. Largo de Sé, Sé Square. There's a church right there, but that church has some construction. That's Sé Cathedral. And that one I think is where the, you see. This one is where the priests or monks, I think, or something like that. Not 100% sure, but this is our street right here, Travessa do Bispo, and this is going to be our focus. So that's going to be the highlight. This one, it's kind of a short little street, so that's why I wanted to give you a little context with the Sé Cathedral in particular. Wow, a lot of traffic right now in this little street. Travessa de Bispo. But yeah, I think we're going to just kind of start up a little bit at the cathedral. Then we're also going to go down this street right here. Give you some context. Oh, there's so much traffic. All these trucks too. You can't really see the other side very well. But you can see this side. Jewelry Gallery, Blue Moon, Macau. It's kind of a tourist shop here. Air conditioning's dripping down on my face. And you can kind of see some other stuff going on. So that's so the street's quite small. I don't think I've filmed it before. Travessa do Bispo. Maybe I have. If I have, it'll be at the bottom. And we're just gonna film a little bit on this street just so you can get some context. Wow, there's like so much traffic on this street. And you probably see me film over here a few times. So this is kind of near this. Go down to São Paulo Ruins is that way, and São Malo is that way. Bank of China. A little kiosk thing. This is Daiso, McDonald's. Little McDonald's up there. Over there is the Portuguese bookstore. That's our street right there. So that was our focus street. Filled with cars today. Usually it's not filled with that many cars, but today it is for whatever reason. So today we're just gonna go up this street a little bit. Oh, the amount of cars is immense. Let's see if we can get the other side of the street. Just gonna go up here. And there we go. So now we got the Portuguese bookstore. So this might be a little bit more interesting, I think, on this side. You can see what kind of books they got in here. Pizza boy, dog. Okay. And stuff got Portuguese. Yeah, books in Portuguese, zines. So that's a Portuguese bookstore right there. There's a Portuguese bookstore, Portuguesa Livraria. And so yeah, so that was our street, Travessa de Bispo. This is a little bit of the next street, and it just kind of connects it together a little bit. And that was where we just came in, is that one right there.
Chiquinha, Chiquinha, toma cuidado da bovidinha.